Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to customize your YouTube TV home screen and library. So number one, you can add shows and movies to library. All you have to do here is browse or search for a show or a movie, tap the plus icon if you can see that, and then add to library. YouTube TV will record every future airing of that program. Number two, organize by category. So your library auto sorts into new, scheduled, movies, shows, sports, and events. Use these tabs to find what you need quickly. Number three, you can remove content. So you can go to your library, select the show or movie, tap the check icon, means added, and then remove from library. Use unlimited DVR, that is number four. YouTube TV offers unlimited cloud DVR storage. Record as much as you want, content and save or save for 9 months. A pro tip: if multiple people use the account, encourage each person to create their own profile. That way, the home screen and library stay clean, organized, and tailored for each other. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.